so good on. But this is going to be a too big video because we're having a walk. So you're going to see the all video. Now here are the bushes. This is the big bush. And you can see the footpath and the cycling road. And you can see the road too. Now we're going up hills. And you're going to see you're going to see one turn. And there are houses. And there are actually no people allowed. Like who are living in there, those people are allowed to go in there. And the cars also. And down here you can see there's a grass, and you can go down here too. And now you're gonna see the bushes. Different trees.
Is that a Christmas tree?
It looks like it's a Christmas tree, and it is a Christmas tree. And there are different lifts for different trees. And now this is going to be a different tree. Now here are different trees. There are different leaves up here. They're like big up, and they're lines.
Yeah.
And
And looks like there is a very big, large Christmas tree.
Oh yeah, up right there.
Oh yeah, it's
There's
very
a
tall.
Christmas tree too. But we cannot see.
Yeah, you can go.
We cannot see the branch.
We can't see branches.
Yeah, this is too big. It's like normal. So now we're going up here. Oh, there's a bird.
So why are you scared of bird? It's a nice bird.
I don't want her to fly.
Oh, okay. You don't want him to get disturbed.
And you can see the bird.
Is he looking for his food?
Yeah, I think so.
Don't do that.
I'm giving her food.
No, it's okay. He will find it out himself.
No.
I guess it started little bit raining.
I think
We have to head home. Let's go.
Oh.
Yeah?
Oh yeah, it started raining. Here to go quickly. So now I'm going to run for the video.
For the video. Why?
To go down there.